With so many music apps available, choosing the right one can be tough. Each platform has its own strengths and caters to different styles. Whether you love building playlists, discovering podcasts, or listening to global radio, there's an app for you. In this review, we'll explore popular options and their unique strengths. Spotify is one of the most popular music streaming services. It's known for its well-curated playlists like Discover Weekly and Release Radar, which offer personalized song recommendations. Strengths: personalized playlists. Spotify's recommendations adapt to your listening habits. Vast library, millions of tracks for every genre and mood. Podcast integration, exclusive podcast deals for an all-in-one experience. Limitations: ads and limited skips. Free users face frequent ads and limited skips. No offline access for free users. Downloads require a paid subscription. Limited customization, you're tied to its algorithm for discovering content. Spotify offers a solid music experience for those willing to pay, but its free tier feels restrictive. YouTube Music. YouTube Music blends official tracks with user-generated content, adding variety that other apps can't match. It's great for fans of both music and video. Strengths: music and video content. Access to music videos alongside tracks. Large library. Combines user-generated content with licensed tracks. Cross-platform integration. Syncs well with Google services. Limitations: no background play on free plan. Premium needed for background listening. Ads. Ads interrupt unless you pay. Offline listening restricted. Downloads require a subscription. YouTube Music is great for variety, but convenience features are locked behind a paywall. Apple Music. Apple Music is a natural fit for Apple users with seamless integration and exclusive releases. Strengths: exclusive content. Often gets exclusive releases. High-quality audio, lossless audio and spatial sound for audiophiles. Integration works well across Apple devices. Limitations: confusing interface. Some find it cluttered. No free tier, requires a paid subscription from the start. Apple ecosystem works best with Apple products. Apple Music is ideal for Apple users but lacks flexibility for others. AdPlayer, the ultimate music powerhouse. AdPlayer redefines what a music player can do. If you're tired of ads, limited offline playback, or having to choose between music, radio, or local files, AdPlayer offers everything for free. Feature-packed experience: AI music generator. Create music by selecting genres, vocals, and sound effects. Free offline playback. Download music, radio shows, and podcasts for free. Radio and podcasts. Access over 100,000 radio stations and podcasts. Time machine. Mix music from different decades and genres. YouTube integration. Import playlists, use multi-view and floating modes. More than just music. Streaming AdPlayer offers offline playback, radio, AI-generated music, and YouTube playlists, all in one. Practical, user-centric features: small size, just 10 megabytes, runs on any device. Battery saver, optimizes background usage. Custom playlists and lyrics, create playlists, add bookmarks, and enjoy lyrics. AdPlayer is more than just a music app. It's a complete audio experience. Overview: what's right for you? Each app has something unique to offer. Spotify is great for algorithm-driven playlists if you don't mind paying. YouTube Music offers music and video but requires premium for background play. Apple Music caters to Apple users with high-quality audio and exclusives, but for maximum value without restrictions, AdPlayer is unmatched. With offline downloads, YouTube integration, AI-powered music creation, and global radio, AdPlayer offers everything the big names do and more.